Hi, this is Kim at eCrafty and Rubber Nation Crafts, and today I wanted to show you something really cool that just came in. We've got 20mm pre-punched, already cut typewriter shapes, just like that. It fit perfectly on our new pendant bases and glass dome covers that are also 20mm. So all you need to do is take your pre-punched image, place it in the base of our pendant trays, put a little sealer on top, add your dome, and you have a gorgeous finished pendant that you just add a jump ring and a cord to, and you have a finished typewriter necklace with hardly any work. Pretty cool, huh?